Dr. Madan, practicing homeopathy since 10 years. Let's talk something regarding the homeopathic pathology. The wrong way of repeating homeopathic medicines is harmful to patient. The unnecessary repetition of homeopathic medicine for long duration, 2 months, 4, 5 months, is very dangerous practice. But there are some practitioners, some homeopathic followers, they give homeopathic medicine excessively or for long duration. So specific or some particular homeopathic medicines for any type of disease. They take these two drops or two drops directly on tongue 2 times daily for 2 months, 4 months, or in some cup of water 2 to 4 drops 2 times, 3 times for 3 months, 4 months. Repetition, unnecessary repetition may land the patient into harmful conditions, or there are different pathological changes that occurs inside the body of the patient. This is not as per the rules or the principles of the homeopathy, as per my experience with the practice or in the practice. Single dose of well selected medicine give result in single dose for long duration. Give single dose. At least wait for 1 week or 7 to 8 days. If there is no improvement or no changes, then think about repetition of the same dose or jump to next potencies. To share a small case of an old girl child having corn, the kuru on the sole of foot from 4 to 5 months, taking medicine outside without improvement. Then he started a homeopathic medicine outside from 3 months. The Antimcrude 200, that is almost specific medicine for corn or callosities. Maximum or most commonly prescribed medicine in homeopathy. A patient taking this Antimcrude 2 times daily for 3 months without any improvement or no result. When this patient consulted Antimcrude taken for long duration, that is for 2 months, 3 months, started to prove its innate quality. Then the corn becomes inflamed, becomes very painful, and new corn start appearing, start weeping due to pain. The pain becomes severe, unbearable. It can walk. So the patient consulted to me with discussion, the proper case study, inflamed and painful cause, one single medicine with single dose. The medicine was sulfur 1 m, single dose. It is small to globules, small to pills, or the small one to patient, without any repetition of sulfur. After 4 to 5 days, the pain reduce. Patient start normal activities. See the magic of single dose. The sulfur 1 m, not repeated. After 15 days, the corn completely disappear. See the magic of homeopathic remedies. If they are well selected, it works. Otherwise, it not works. Even after repetition. So the way of repeating homeopathic medicines excessively, it's very dangerous, shocking. Proper medicine, the homeopathic simillimum, the potency, give limited doses, 1 dose, 2 dose, or doses for 2-3 days. Wait, patience is very important.